Welcome back to the Moral Science class 6. Today I will give you the final syllabus. So in the second terminal you have Moral Science test. So we'll follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Isn't it? So you will learn by heart all question answers, what meaning whatever I have done in the during the class hour that I mentioned. 1 chapter 1, 2, 3, 3 devoted disciples, only spelling and activity. That is activity part. No writing questions and word meaning. 1, 2 question answer word meaning. Whatever I have done, you will follow. You follow the previous video and do like that. 3 spelling activity. I will give some spelling from the chapter. You will learn by heart. I can give this way the correct the spelling. Desired. DASIRE or DESIRE like this. Acha, now number 4, strength in weakness. I taught you. From there, active exercise work you will do. Next 5, the best friend only word meaning. Shays day out spelling. Courageous Karim spelling. So spelling writing from 3, 6 and 7. 5, 5, 15 spelling I will give. And 1, 2, 4 and 5 you will do word meaning and others. So we have finished chapter 1. We have done all these things. I will go for recapitulation. Acha, now chapter 2 we read it. Word meaning, true and false. This part also I have taught something. This part some words I will go. This part also I have done. I have not done this, so don't do this part. Chapter 3, page number 15, this part. A. Why do you need family? Some boxes are there, you have to fill. Now, chapter 3, only spelling writing I will give from this chapter. Already I have told. Now, come to chapter 4. Chapter 4, what I have done? I have taught you the things. And chapter 3, I can give this activity work in the book, only this part, nothing else. That is not included in your examination. Activity means next term project you can do this nicely, okay? Now chapter 4. Chapter 4, I go through the reading part. Now word meaning, question answer. From chapter 4, word meaning and this question answer. What I have done in the book. And I'm sorry, that is what is that? Correct the following sentence. Page number 25, correct the following sentence. You will get everything from the book. I have taught some question answers and that synonyms from this chapter, page number 16. Question answer 1, 2, 3 and 5. You will learn that only, that part only. What I have done, page number 26. Chapter number is 4. Chapter number is 4. Yes. Now come to chapter 5. Chapter 5, only you will read the chapter and word meaning, nothing else. Today I will finish that. Chapter 5 and 6, read 6 only spelling, and chapter 5, reading and word meaning. So, word meaning from the book. So I am going through, please concentrate. Look at your book, because this I think there's some light problem. You look at the book, chapter 5. We are born alone, we live alone, we die alone. Only through our love and friendship can we create the illusion for the moment of that we are not alone. That means we come here alone, we will go alone, but only the love and feelings will create it. We are not alone. So there is a story of Nikita. Nikita was a new girl in the town. She had just taken admission in the new school. She was shy and found it difficult to mingle. Mingle means mixed up my things with the other girls. Her classmates, on the other hand, thought her as an egoistic. Actually, she cannot meet with others, so that class, his friends are thinking that she is little egoistic. Not like that. Radhika used to sit beside Nikita. One day, Radhika was very upset. Nikita had observed her troubled face but could not muster the courage to ask her anything at this moment. Another girl, Juhi, asked Radhika to tell her problem. Radhika broke into tears and said, "My mother is ill. She earns by swinging clothes, and only then I am able to pay my fee. But now she will not be able to sew the cloths in the time. I will have problem in paying the fee this time." "Why don't you help your mother?" asked Juhi. "I do not know swing," replied Radhika. My mother tried her this part. My mother tried her this part. My mother tried her best to teach me, but I found it very difficult to learn. Nikita had heard the entire conversation. Conversation means talking to others, between Juhi and Radhika, and now knew the cause of Radhika's trouble, the problem. When Radhika reached home in the afternoon, turn the page number 29, she she saw Nikita sitting by her mother. Radhika was surprised to see her there. Nikita said, "When I heard about the illness of your mother, I come to see her." Radhika put her bag aside and hugged Nikita. Nikita continued, "You know, my mother expired a year back. My father is very busy and mostly stays out of station. I feel lonely at home, and I'm also shy to talk to anybody. I'm afraid of losing people. So I avoid making friends." So see, children, sometimes we are feeling that, oh, the girl is very angry, the girl is very shy. Before judge, you don't before watch, don't judge. That is a book. That is a proverb. Don't judge a book with a cover. What we are seeing. Radhika's mother cursed and her head and said, "You can come here whenever you wish, dear. I am like your mother, so you never have to feel lonely. And I am here as your friend and promise to always be with you." With these words, Radhika embraced Nikita, hugged. Radhika and Nikita were friends now. Gradually, Nikita started mixing with other children in the class too. One day, the principal called Radhika and informed her that her painting fees has been deposited. Radhika was surprised and asked who had deposited her fees. The principal said, "Nikita has deposited your fee. She also helped your mother, enabling her to deliver the swing cloths in the time to the customers." See how broad minded and kind hearted girl is Nitika. Radhika's eyes were filled with tears. Yes, it's true. When you are getting help from your friend, you are surprised and you are astonished. Sometimes you are absent, but your note is ready. Some good friends are helping you. I saw of class 6, many of them are very helping attitude. I loved the class 6, that's why. So very kind hearted. It had happened in class also one day. Some of your friends borrowed pencil, and the other friends didn't want to take. In front of me had happened. Whatever, Radhika's eyes were filled with tears. She rushed to Nikita and thanked her. The friendship of both became even stronger in thereafter. A friend in need is a friend indeed. What I am always telling, a friend in need. So this is the story. From this story, nothing you will read. Only do this word meaning for the examination. Okay, page number 30. So almost we have finished the syllabus. Only one chapter of left for reading and spelling. So again I am showing the content of the book. so that you can go through. That is, thank you God, love your parents, strength is weakness, uh, the best friend. These 4 chapters you learned word meaning. Here only word meaning. For others, word meaning, spelling, I'm sorry, fill in the blanks, question answer, whatever you have done, I will go for revision. Only chapter 7, chapter 3, and chapter 6 for spelling writing. 5, 5, 5, 15 spelling I will go. I think this is your syllabus, final syllabus. I have reduced everything. From tomorrow, I will start revision work. Thank you, children, and bye bye. God bless you all.